Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily make the telephone effect or a phone effect in Movavi Video Editor Plus. So let's say that I have clip in my timeline here, and I would like to make of Spider-Man or the whole audio telephone effect or phone effect. It's really easy. All you have to do is click on your timeline, then go to the settings, and then go to audio editing. And you will have it here, audio effects. Click here on audio effects, and then you will have it here, telephone. When I'm going to click on it, I'm going to have really great, where you can hear it right now, but let's play it like this, okay. But yeah, it's really better to use it, the phone effect when you have your own audio, I think. But yeah, that's kind of it. This is how we can make the phone effect. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Goodbye.